In today's digital world, content marketing isn't just about posting on social media. It's the engine that attracts, engages, and converts customers without draining your budget on ads. It all starts with knowing your audience. Who are they? What problems do they face? What kind of content actually grabs their attention? Once you figure that out, you can create material they can't ignore, whether it's blog posts, videos, infographics, or even podcasts. But creating content isn't enough. You need to make sure people can actually find it. That's where SEO comes in. Use the right keywords so your content shows up on Google when your customers are searching. Then, distribute it across the platforms they already use. Repurpose what you make into different formats so every piece of content works harder for you. Now here's the secret. Don't just hit publish and walk away, track your results. Which posts are driving traffic? Which videos are getting shares? Use the data to double down on what's working and adjust what isn't. And through it all, keep your brand voice consistent, so no matter where your audience finds you, they recognize and trust your business. In 2025, the most successful businesses will go even further. They'll personalize content so every customer feels like it's made just for them. They'll collaborate with influencers to tap into ready-made communities. And they'll use AI tools to streamline research, writing, and editing, so they can spend more time on creativity and strategy. Content marketing isn't just a trend. It's how you grow your business in 2025. Start creating, keep testing, and watch your audience turn into loyal customers. Want to take your content to the next level? Book a free consultation with MarketinGear today